Alright everybody, here we are on a beautiful sunny day. The wide world of looping here. We're going to be looping a song called Let My Love Open the Door by Pete Townshend. And this is one of my favorite songs to loop. Very, very cool. Love the song in general, but found some neat ways to play through it and use the looper. And I just want to show you. The main chords for the song are A, E, and D. With some others, but I usually don't use just the plain old A, E, and D. I use this A here, and I think I'm going to put a picture of it next to me. Maybe very hand-drawn, maybe not. This A, this version of E here, definitely has an A in there. And this version of D here. And they just sound really great. A couple of open strings ringing out the whole time, so you get a really nice big sound. You can sound like more than one guitar player, even without a looper. So cool. So I'm using this looper right here. It's the Boss RC300. It's got 3 channels. I think maybe for this song, I think I only use 2 of them. My guitar is plugged into it, and this microphone down here is plugged into it. How you doing down there? So if I need to, I can record my voice, record my voice, record my voice, and I think I will for this song. So, about this fast. Not sure how many measures, but here we go with the first loop. 1 and 2 and 3, and go. Alright, so I looped 4 measures there. I really only needed to loop 2, but sometimes I forget and I just keep going, and we'll see if we run into trouble because of that. So, I don't know. What, was that a mistake I hear? Nah, sounds alright. So, we got, yeah, it looks like 4 measures. I'm looking at the looper. So we got 4 measures looped of here, here, here on channel 1. Now I'm going to use channel 2 to start the rhythm. I'm going to be hitting the guitar. I like to hit the strings for a bass sound. You can have it less bassy up here maybe. And the closer you get to the bridge, the more you really get bassy. You can also hit the guitar like down here. But I don't know, for this song I'll be doing this. And I have my metal brush I'll be using too. So here's channel 1. There we go. Cool. Now we're going to add some we need that backbeat though, so I'll just take this and I'll hit it right there. Here we go. So now we got channel 1 with 4 measures of the verse chords, and we have channel 2 with just rhythm. 3 separate parts recorded, 3 separate instances, but they're all being played together because of the magic of looping. Here we go. Oh, and there's a little here you go. Oh, I love it when that happens. At this point, I'm mostly set up for the whole song. I'll add some more to the loop number 1, a little bit in the middle of the song, but basically I just work with these 2. The main parts of the song are these chords. But at the end of the verse, it goes to some different chords, at which point I turn off channel 1, and I just play them with my guitar. And then when I'm done with a different part, I just kick channel 1 back on, and we are good to go. So here's a little bit of that. here's where I like to add in a little bit more. My love, open the door. 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 So now we've got channel 1 loaded with the verse chords, which are kind of like the chorus chords too, and the backup vocals. So what I can do then is during the next second verse, I could just play the part with my guitar. So you don't have the backup vocals going until I turn on channel number 1. So here's a little bit of the normal verse, second verse, into the chorus then. The B part. My love, open the door. And my love, open the door. And my love, open the door to your heart. To your heart. So then we get to this part of the song where the beat changes from this to a halftime feel. And I've done some things in the past where I've recorded 2 separate loops of percussion and switched between the 2 for the different parts. But in this song, I don't really do that anymore. I just leave this one going on while I do the, I would say, the bridge section. And then with my guitar part that I play for that bridge part, I kind of imply a little bit of guitar part halftime feel. Even though the rhythm still isn't playing the halftime, I don't really care. It sounds pretty great. At this point in the song, after the bridge part, I turn off the rhythm and I just have me singing and the guitar playing here to give it a little bit of variety before I kick the loop back on for the last verse. And that might be something like this. Now we got the backup vocals going. To your heart. My love, open the door. My love, open the door. And at this point, I usually just stop the loop and end on a chord. Kind of like that one. So there you go. Bye.